shall we have a chat about the Guarniflon qualified materials that we're going to be bringing in?
Yeah, so it's it's really good news for VAC Innovation and under the Guarniflon group, and particular the Guarniflon Composite division, they've now got 4 products qualified, 2 bag and film products, 2 varying temperatures, the tech release film, and our 204 degree sealant tape, all qualified for Airbus A220 production, already being used in some production processes on production lines, and now available from us in the UK for the same. And obviously having aircrew aerospace qualifications like that is a big, strong addition for the VAC production line. These are materials mostly that are produced by the group as well. A lot of the films are produced ourselves, so our own materials, and we're really excited about pushing them to the marketplace now that they're available.
Yeah, and it really does allow us to push into that additional market and actually be able to offer customers an alternative to other brands, which I think is fantastic for us and fantastic for them, that it gives that option to choose another supplier, and it gives that little bit of a costing. I think costing's always a big thing, and especially right now everyone is trying to save money somewhere else, and if you've only got 1 or 2 suppliers in the market, then that cost can be quite high, in fairness, with a lot of these qualified products.
Exactly.
So adding an extra person like ourselves into the market allows us to be competitive and actually hopefully bring costs down for aerospace manufacturing.
And that's the goal. We're another choice now. We've got control of our own development side of things, so these additions will continue under the Guarniflon group. Our R&D centre at the Composite division in Bergamo is constantly working on new products and new qualifications, so this is just the start of that process now. An addition that as an SME 2 years ago VAC Innovation didn't have, but now it really widens our portfolio and the sectors that we can support in the composite industry, both on high level manufacture and lower run stuff as well. So it's an important addition, and we're really pleased with it, and the Guarniflon group are very happy to got over this initial stage.
It is, and I remember a couple of months back I had quite a little success story with the new qualified materials, where I had a customer ask if we had a non-silicon adhesived flash tape, which we didn't have in our portfolio at the time, but because we've now got these qualified materials, we were able to have it manufactured and supplied to them, and all the testing has gone very well and they're really happy with it so far. So just getting over that final steps of making sure that it all meets their regulations and their qualifications, and as soon as they're happy, then we could push forward with it. But it was quite a good success story, really.
And that's the goal. That's the kind of thing we can do for the customer base now, both with these products and the rest of our range. We have much more technical presence now. We have a much more involved R&D facility where we can look at requirements, customers' requirements, things like needing a different adhesive or needing different mechanical properties for the material, or even just dimensionally, different thickness, different width, that kind of thing. We've got the opportunity now to have much more control, where we're not always going back to a supply chain as a distributor. We're a manufacturer now as well.
It's definitely helped with that sort of those customer needs, where before it was if the supplier didn't do it, we couldn't supply it. We now can offer that difference in material, difference in, as you say, the glue, as we said. It allows us to actually give the customer what they want without having to find a new supplier and then having to worry about MOQs and that sort of the issues you have with these kind of things, and lead times.
We've got much more control over that kind of thing ourselves now, and we can speak with the customer about what they really need and fit in around their schedules as well, particularly as we're offering consignment stock for all of the materials. We can take that headache away from the customer. We control the stock, we make sure you never run out, it's replenished on time, and it includes these qualified materials now.
And being able to kit it as well is another big thing for us.
Good point. And the kitting service which will also go on to include other materials like prepregs in the future.
Yeah.
Already does out of the composite division now. We've not brought that to the UK yet, but we will be soon, in addition to our tooling prepreg line.
Yeah.
So
And especially these qualified materials because they are more costly to manufacture, and they
Yes.
are with all the qualifications and checks and stuff that you have to do with these materials.
Yeah.
Having the ability to kit it and have what you need is, again, one, sustainability is a massive push at the moment.
Yep.
Being able to actually reduce waste and have the kits there ready for purpose use.
Yep.
It's massive, especially in the aerospace industry, where everyone's trying to save on sustainability. And you look at, was it what years ago was it like they had like 3 olives and they removed an olive and it saved like tens of thousands of gallons of fuel or whatever it was a year, and stuff like that. So just being able to remove wastage is fantastic when it comes to these aerospace materials.
And that's a big part of what will come, and is already successfully in place with one of our customers, where we're recycling materials that are then repurposed back into the production line. So, landfill is less of a problem for that product range, and we'll work on the other product ranges as well, which will be key for the industry. And again, it does include one of the materials on the qualified list for Airbus now for the A220. So that is another thing we can offer from that product. We'll buy back the material, recycle it, and then resell it as a used material at a lower cost. So there's cost savings and sustainability recycling advantages in using these materials from us.